Well, specific, it's a combination of multiple styles, more popular, more obscured, more improvised, more composition. It's a showcase of jazz these days. So if one wants to have a perspective of how this music can be played these days, this is a really good festival for that. Well, it's been great because now it has a life on its own. We started recording international musicians, but also Slovene musicians, and now we follow some Slovene musicians outside of the festival. So it's really good that the festival kind of got us together, and now we do things on our own. It's a really good contribution from the festival. So now it has a life on its own. It's going in its way. We're recording like Kaja Draxler and Drehočevar outside of the jazz festival, and it's a very good way to internationalize the Slovene musicians, but also it's very nice to have on the festival like recordings that people can read. Oh, this was made in Ljubljana Jazz Festival. You know, one of my first vinyl records when I started listening to jazz was this Live at Festival record that was a compilation of recordings made in the 70s during Jazz Festival Ljubljana. So it was the first time I heard about this city. So as it worked for me, it can work for more people, and I think it's really nice. So also for the people that can't come to the festival, they can listen to the music recorded here in India, China, Portugal, anywhere. Well, I think the Jamesa Blooda Ulmerja solo concert, because his solo record called Birthright is for me one of the best blues records ever. So I can put it along with Muddy Waters or John Lee Hooker and Lightning Hopkins and all these people I never saw. They were mostly dead before I was born. So this is an opportunity for me and for the rest of the people to watch, like I think, the last man standing for real roots blues. But of course I'm looking forward to hear the rest of the program, like the duo of Mats Gustafsson and Craig Taborn, but also Elephant Nine, and you know, all this. I think the program is really rich in variety. So I recommend people to come and check the whole festival.